Let's go.
Fishing adventure. It's going great so far. As you can see behind me, it's gorgeous day. Out, sun's out. But tornado. It is windy and hot and humid, bro. I get sticky and then I get some coolness.
Yo, is it low-key moving this way, boys?
It is so dark over there.
It's low-key kind of
that is insanely dark. And something tells me like the Joplin tornado, there was that same water tower
why is the
in
wind
there. The Joplin, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I know exactly. Why is the wind blowing this way though?
I don't know, but good news is we're going that way. We're gonna go. Hey, this is the intro. We're about to go fish the river today. We're gonna put out some traps.
This way, bro.
Get some crayfish. Hopefully, catch some fish. Catch, clean, cook action. I love it. We were gonna stay the night, but hey, I don't want to stay the night in this, man. I don't want to stay the night in this, man. Check this out.
Looking dangerous.
Looking dangerous, but
it's looking shifting.
It's shifting. It's definitely shifting.
We praise the Lord, though.
Turn that camera around.
We fear the Lord. So we're chilling. I don't fear North Star.
I don't feel it. Oh. Boom. Minnows. We're dialed. Jero, what's up? Come on now. Gotta love them. They're my favorite little peach rings, man. I love them. I love them. Bomb, 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 bomb.
Through trials and tribulations.
We're here. We did it. The weather looks honestly
stellar. We made it to Gavin Pond.
Some beautiful boats.
Beautiful water. And some beautiful individuals at a small town gas station too.
Oh yeah. Very nice people.
Shout out Captain Norms.
Should have bought a sweatshirt.
A sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Look at that sun, man. Oh, it's gone.
Hey, short-term sun. Love it though.
Yeah.
About 5 feet out.
Oh. Hell no. Alright. Where my peach rings at? That actually is so sick. God, it's so beautiful. I was worried about wind over here. We're above the dam, by the way, now. Not too bad, but right here. Come on. We got Mr. Crawdad trap. Woo! We're gonna get this bait up with some chicken of the sea. Boom! Boom! We're gonna get these in here, cast them in, and hopefully we're gonna leave them here for a couple hours. Oh yeah. Yummy. Dude, I just hope it doesn't float away really, but I might just. Alrighty, crappie rig. Gonna attach it to the swivel I just tied on. These things are low-key so easy to do. I love them, and hey, I mean 2 hooks. I mean that's better than 1, right? And the calm. We're gonna do 1 ounce weight today. Beautiful weight. I'm gonna just say it again, man, I love crappie rigs. You gotta be careful taking these out because I've gotten these things twisting the worst knot ever. The worst. You grab it like this. I remember this from when my granddaddy taught me. Put it through there. So it's like this. I know it's hard to see just because I'm so moving around. And then you put it through there and you pull it tight, as easy as that. Wha-bam. Minnowed up. Give her, you gotta be gentle though. All right, there's some smallies jumping. Little crawdad crankbait. Might as well, right? Swivels on there, low-key ugly, but there was a crappie rig on this, so it doesn't matter. Who cares? Watch, just look, catch one. All right. Oh my God. Little rock bass. That's funny. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Little rock bass. Not a bad one. I'm tempted to eat it, bro. I caught one over 1 pound. This one's low key. This is above average too.
Oh, dude.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Yeah. All right, buddy. Bro's disoriented.
Uh-oh.
Was it recording?
Uh-oh.
Walter, Mr. Walter. Let's go. Here, let me get the bunk.
Yeah.
Look. Hey, wait, where did I just put that stringer? Good job, bro. That's clutch. Let's check bait though. Yo, like a little walleye was on this. It completely ate off the back. You know what? Oh. Oh. I almost lost my whole entire... That could have been bad. I'm sorry. Unexpectedness. This is my catfishing rig. Another walleye. Oh my God. Bet. Here.
I gotta put the style's gonna fly away.
Oh wait. Wait a minute. I low-key got something. I got like a shoe or something. Oh, I knew it. Oh. Give me that pliers. I don't know.
I kind of thought I did. I low-key did, but
Got it. Look at that hook. What is this thing doing? We don't have the thing.
hey, let's see.
Here. Get out your phone measuring app. Quick. I'm gonna give him a drink just in case you have to put it back. Here, yeah. Oh, it's just short. Is it 14?
Wait.
Yeah, it's too short. God. Yeet. Uh-oh, is that him right there?
Oh, we should have kept him.
Well, is that him? R.I.P., bro. We couldn't keep him though, he's too short. No. Get that fish. Just don't drown though.
You're an animal.
You're a dog. Yeah, let's Yo. Hi.
A lightning strike.
Let's go, Joe. Yes, sir. All right.
We can't get away.
All right, let's go. You're
Where is it?
Oh, it swam away? No.
Oh, awesome. You got a warm car.
Oh. It slipped out of Jaro's hands. The Walter's still out there.
Bro, first aid kit. So fresh.
How are your feet doing? Better?
Oh, dude, they're stinging. I can't even lie.
Oh my God. At least we got pizza.
What are all those rocks? They're so sharp.
I know.
Is it?
You didn't walk away.
It was not worth it.
What's the
Didn't even get the fish.
fish is floating?
He fought. It was a tough battle and I lost. I can't even lie.
I got one. Woo! Bro, this bend over big time. Come on. You got one, Henry?
Yeah.
No way. We're doubled? Come on, be a walleye. Be a walleye. This thing bent it over though. It feels like a catfish. God. Oh, yeah. What'd I say? Oh my God, it's a perfect eater. Let's go. Let's go. What is it? Yeah, catfish. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. No. Catfish.
Okay.
This is going in the skillet.
Oh, 4 of them.
Yeah.
Raising those. Okay.
Yep. Yeah. We got one walleye. We had to cut another just 14 inches, so we had to put it back. But yeah, we got one that's like 16 and a half. So yeah.
Fish, you're open.
No.
You got that fly.
Barely made it out.
Angle yourself up.
Mr. Cat. Literally perfect. He's talking to me. He's talking to me. Listen, Eddie. He's talking. What you saying? Huh? All right. No way we doubled. No way we doubled. All right. We caught 2 cats. every single time I missed it when they're hitting it, because we're on crappie rigs. We're just posted up here every like 20, 30 minutes it hits. Gerald, he's barely making it. Bro went for a swim. Look. bro went for a swim, but hey, he didn't even get the walleye, so hey. But anyway though, we're gonna get back. We're gonna do catch, clean, cook. We're about to go hit up Wally World, hell, Hy-Vee. I need that shore lunch Cajun. Man, these Missouri River catfish, they're the real deal. Tastes so good. Henry's about to try them. Jared's about to try them. So yeah, we'll see you in Sioux Falls. God, I just can't get away without, you know, getting hurt. I just tried to do the tripod, slid it down. Can you see that? Just smacked my finger, and now my finger's so, like, dude, look at this. Munchies. Clean these fish. Stay tuned. I actually can't. It is so dull, like so dull. And honestly, nothing enrages me more than if shit A is not going well and B is missing. All because it's never ever am I gonna. I should have given up good. From now on, I'm gonna have a electric knife in my car at all times. And I'm not gonna do that again. Anyway, though, they're clean. We're gonna rinse this, get all this like nice. See you in the store. Barely even turn on the power button with the GoPro. My hands hurt so bad, but it's 10:15. It's 9:50. It feels like 10:15, but didn't hit the store. Got the catch part done. Got the clean part halfway done. I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow, so tomorrow we'll go to the store and all that. So shout out to Jet, Keep Company. What's up, buddy? Favorite log ever. Man's best friend. But anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Day 2 of gloominess. We're out here today. About to go to Walmart. It's the next day, by the way, as you know. But man, my finger. It's getting better. This little thing right here, that little thing right there, that'll take a man out. Took me out. I'm getting better though. Gerald, he's bedridden. He can't walk. He's cut out those deep muscles. Got him. Anyway though, we're gonna go get a fryer. Need oil. Need Cajun style shore lunch. Come on. You already know. Anyway though, about to go hit up Walmart. Shouldn't take too long. Be home. Start cooking by noon. The plan. Have the boys over by noon. So we'll see you in the Walmart. Uno. All right, got the Cajun shore lunch. Got the canola oil. I'm gonna be honest. In the section it was at, in the Stadium Pulse was unbelievable. It was like Georgia Alabama game. I folded. I didn't bring out the camera, but I did buy them. So there's Dulce and Trace, but now it's time to go home, time to get this fired up. It's 11:20, so time's ticking. Let's speed run the unboxing. Just figured out, I don't know what I need to do here. Maybe I can just add it right away. Pax! Oh. What's up, buddy? Anyway though, I'm gonna get this figured out. The boys are about over. Give them 20 minutes here, and then we'll pick up when we're making the batter and putting them in the grease. Alright, just did some looking up and yeah, but according to Google, I need to hold off on my tears for just a minute. So, we're gonna get this thing going right now with the hot water, a little bit of soap, call it good. Fry Daddy, this thing's generational. Okay, Jet. Dogs are crazy. Anyway though, I didn't understand that all you gotta do is plug in. I thought there's for sure dial, something like that, but there's not. I assume it's pretty even. It's even enough. I assume fill up to that line. I'm gonna go a little bit below it. There we go. Inside now, let's prep these fish. I don't know how well it went. Okay, I'm gonna start with that. And now, fish. Henry, come check this out. Low key,
Low key.
I was able to resin the yellow there. Don't be concerned. Don't be concerned. I even looked it up. I mean, come from the river.
This is fat. It's
Really
fat.
fat.
Cajun style.
Yay!
Here, you crack them, I'll hold it open.
Uno. Here's this one.
Get a little.
Should we do 3? Can you grab one more there in the fridge?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Smash them. Dude, I'm honestly impressed.
Nice.
I'm honestly impressed.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's no sauce in that. What do you think? Good?
Oh my.
Good? Let me try it.
Dude, it just melts. It just disintegrates in your mouth.
We got a fish lover here.
Anyway, it disintegrates.
It's so good. Try it.
It just melts.
It's hot, so be careful.
It melts in your mouth.
Hell yeah. Look.
Good? And there's no sauce, dude. Sriracha tastes so good with it. Good.
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, I really want some sriracha sauce though.
I want some ketchup, man.
Ketchup? Alright. Throw some ketchup on those, Brea. It's still clogged?
Non-pop. I got look catch.
I'm gonna give her a dip.
Look catch.
Bro depleted our ketchup by about half.
You want that? Jet? Here, try it. Is it good? Oh, he loves it. He loves it. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Bro, that was gas.
Henry. You want this one? Or do you want that one?
Let it cool.
Yeah, low key it's hot, but it.
You want to plug your oil?
Wow. What do you rate that?
I know. I'll
I'll say a good 8 out of 10, bro.
Yeah.
Girl?
8.5. 8.5, bro.
That's awesome. This is so fire. Finish up the episode. Henry, 8. Gerald, 8.5. Me, 8.5. Jet, 10 out of 10. Gotta love it. Finished up here, gonna dispose this oil, gotta clean up, all that. But the Catch, Clean, Cook episode is done. Thank y'all for tuning in. I can't wait for another one of these. Anyway, I'll see you on the next adventure.